Our oceans, vast and teeming with life, face a hidden threat. This threat is not a monstrous predator or a sudden cataclysm. It is a silent change, a gradual shift in the very chemistry of our seas. This threat is ocean acidification, and its effects are already being felt across the globe. The ocean, our planet's lifeblood, is changing, and the consequences could be devastating. Imagine a world with fewer coral reefs, their vibrant colors faded to a ghostly white. Picture coastlines stripped bare, devoid of the bustling ecosystems that once thrived there. This is the potential future that ocean acidification holds. It is a threat that demands our attention, our understanding, and our action. Ocean acidification is a direct consequence of increasing carbon dioxide levels in our atmosphere. As we burn fossil fuels, carbon dioxide is released into the air. The ocean, in a natural process, absorbs a significant portion of this excess carbon dioxide. However, this absorption comes at a cost. When carbon dioxide dissolves in seawater, it forms carbonic acid. This acid then releases hydrogen ions, increasing the acidity of the ocean. This process, known as ocean acidification, is steadily altering the delicate chemical balance of our seas. The pH of the ocean is a measure of its acidity. And since the Industrial Revolution, the average pH of ocean surface waters has fallen by 0.1 units. While this may seem like a small change, it represents a 30% increase in acidity. The impacts of ocean acidification are far-reaching, affecting a wide range of marine organisms. Among the most vulnerable are those that rely on calcium carbonate to build their shells and skeletons. Coral reefs, the bustling underwater cities of the ocean, are particularly susceptible. Corals, tiny animals related to jellyfish, build their skeletons from calcium carbonate. However, as ocean acidity increases, the availability of carbonate ions, essential for this process, decreases. This makes it more difficult for corals to grow and maintain their skeletons. The result is weaker, more fragile reefs that are more susceptible to damage from storms, disease, and other threats. Section 4. A cascade of consequences. The impacts of ocean acidification extend far beyond coral reefs. Many other marine organisms, including shellfish, plankton, and some types of algae, also rely on calcium carbonate for their survival. As ocean acidity increases, these organisms face similar challenges in building and maintaining their shells and skeletons. The consequences of these impacts ripple throughout the marine ecosystem. Shellfish, for example, play a crucial role in filtering water and providing habitat for other species. Their decline could have cascading effects on entire ecosystems. Furthermore, ocean acidification poses a significant threat to industries that rely on these organisms, such as fishing and aquaculture. Section 5. The urgency of action. The urgency of addressing ocean acidification cannot be overstated. Scientific research paints a stark picture of the potential consequences if we fail to act. Studies have shown that ocean acidification can impact the growth, reproduction, and behavior of marine organisms. It can also affect the sensory systems of some species, making it harder for them to find food, avoid predators, and navigate their environment. The latest research findings indicate that ocean acidification is happening at an unprecedented rate. Some scientists estimate that the ocean is acidifying faster than it has in the past 300 million years. This rapid pace of change is outstripping the ability of many marine organisms to adapt, putting entire ecosystems at risk. Section 6. Turning the tide. Addressing ocean acidification requires a global effort to reduce carbon emissions. This means transitioning to cleaner sources of energy, improving energy efficiency, and promoting sustainable practices. While the challenge is significant, it is not insurmountable. We can all play a role in mitigating the effects of ocean acidification by reducing our carbon footprint, supporting sustainable seafood choices, and raising awareness about this issue. We can contribute to a healthier ocean for future generations. The fate of our oceans, and indeed our planet, depends on the choices we make today.